Okay, so this is the beginning of Am I Losin' by LYNYRD SKYNYRD. We're gonna have this little pickup thing. That's open to 2 on the A, kind of a hammer-on to the open D. And then we get into a D chord, but we're gonna have this pinky down here for a suspended fourth. We're gonna... So first thing we do is we pull that pinky out after hitting it with the D chord. Okay, a couple more little strums. So that's our main part. This is part A. We got the pickup. And we do that 6 times. So let's say we're doing the last 2. That's where the verse comes in. So this is a C add 9. I just refer to it as a C9 on the chart. 3-2. It's like a C chord, but it has that 3 and 3 down here that go easily to that G chord for 3-3 as well. So from the verse we'd have 1, 2, 3. Hold the D a little longer and then C9, whole bar, G. D again, twice. C9, G. Faster. This is your chorus. Do that 4 times. Now the 4th time, we do slower on those last 2 chords. Let me pick it back up. Next verse starts. So it's going to be just the same stuff. 2 of those Ds. Long C to G. Chorus. C to G quicker. Chorus doesn't really have that pickup phrase. Maybe slow down in those last 2. Got 2 of these. And then we get into the solo. So the solo is going to go. So let's look at the beginning of the solo here. We're going to have, that's 10 on the 2nd string. Kind of have the 9th fret of the G string already bent up. Let it come down to the 7. That's 9, 7, 9 on the D. So we got like a staccato 7 and a held out 7. Kind of slide it down. 7, 9 on the D, 7 on the G, bend that 9 back to the 7, so it's... So that's another 7, 9 on the D. Here we have a 9, 7, 9 on the G. So we kind of held that 9 and then 2 quick hammers, so we got... Then we go. So 7 to 9 on the D. Do it again. Series of 10s on that A string. So once again we got. Now the next part. Okay, so let's look into the second part here. We got, so we're going 9 to 11. I'm using my middle finger on the G string. That way we can reach the 10 and 12 on the B real easy. Back to the 11. Kind of a 10, 12, 10 there a little bit. Kind of the same stuff. Bend that 10 up and down. So we have a 10 to 12 on the B to little 10s. So we have that back to the 12, hammer on, pull off. So let's look at this again. We got 10, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 10, 10, 10. We have a couple kind of accidental, but definitely on purpose as well. B notes, open B. We're gonna bend that little 17. So let's take a quick review. We got okay, so bend, and then another bend, back to the 17. So we had 2 pull-offs, 15, 14 on the first string, 15 on the second. So you get that 14 to 16 with these fingers, so you use certain fingers to make all this stuff happen. And then we'll go. So 14 to 16 slide, 15, 17, 15. Okay, bends on the 17, couple extra 17s. And then, so that's 15, 14, 15, 17. And then a hammer on pull off again. Couple 15s on that one. So let's take it back a little bit. We got okay, so that's going to be like a, so you go down to that 16 after that. 14, 16, 15, 17. And then, now this last one's going to go, pull off there, bend that 17 a couple times on the second string. Okay, same kind of notes and stuff. Here we have 15, and then we're going 17 to 19, and then 17, 19 on the first. Kind of up that major pentatonic, and then we get a little minor pentatonic a little bit here on this 20th fret, bending that up a whole step. So come down and pull off to the 17, and then we're working with 20 and 19 on the second string. Ends with some 19s on the G string. That's the whole first solo. Let's look at it again. We got okay, so that was the second solo there. So we got so kind of some muted hits, kind of down, up, 7 on the G, kind of little 9 bending up to the 7 and back, kind of a little half step bend at the end of that. We got 7, 9 on the D coming down, bend the 9s a little bit, And he's using a lot of pinch harmonics and stuff, probably a Strat on this. Now at the end of that, we have 7, 9 on the D, back to 7. We're gonna bend that 10 on the second, hit 2 10s underneath it. Okay, so they're kind of different timings, but kind of the same riff. Third one is just one bend with a note underneath. And it ends with, so that's 7, 9, 11 on the G, 10, 12 on the B, take the 11 down to 9, 7, 9. A into B minor for the bridge, so once again the new solo. A, B minor, go upbeat in there to G, G, A, B minor, G. Then we have a so that sounds a lot like Sweet Home. We got the 2 hits on the D bass, so the D chord. Hit the C. This is still like that C add 9 with that 3 on the second string. Now you could just, one guitar is kind of hitting the chord. So it's D to C9, G back to C9. But the other guitar is going after the C chord, so it's like C. And that's hammer on the D string, open 2. Hammer on pull off on the G, O to O. So it's G, back to C, with that riff again, and then D, C add 9, G. And then we're gonna come in with just a straight up. Okay, so after that little turnaround, we don't have the pickup of the, we just hit together with the band. Then we have it. And then we got another verse. Okay, we have that twice, then we have the chorus. Quicker, C to G. Do that 4 times, then our outro is going to be after a stop and some vocal stuff. We have second time. So that's a sus2 on the D. Open 2, 3, open. So we go to the open there. So and then C9, G, and D at the end. So and you could kind of go to go with those chords. 3 open 2, 3 open open, D chord. All right, Am I Losing? Lynyrd Skynyrd, Nothing Fancy album, great stuff. Ed King on the solo, I believe. Thanks a lot for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Free tabs with this. Peace out.